We learn last lecture. So let's move on.
Asana.
Vajrasana. This asana is to be done in sitting position. Point to be kept in mind. Do not perform this asana when you are suffering from any disease. Vajrasana do like this. Vajrasana benefits. The joints of the legs and muscle become strong. Shavasana. Shav means like a dead body. Point to be kept in mind. Experience breathing with mind. Shavasana do like this. Shavasana benefits. The tension on nerves decrease and one can get good sleep. Uttan Padasana. This asana is to be performed while sleeping on the back. Point to be kept in mind. Do not take the leg upward with a jerk. Uttan Padasana do like this. Uttan Padasana benefits. Digestion power improves. Purna Titli Asana basic position. This is one of the asana is to be done from sitting position. Point to be kept in mind. Purna Titli Asana do like this. Purna Titli Asana benefits. The inner muscles of thighs get more rest. So today we have learned lecture Padhastasana benefits, Bhadrasana benefits, Shavasana benefits, Uttan Padasana benefits, Purna Titli Asana benefits. So I have a full confidence and I am glad you everything.
na na